Hey my gators, if you came to this video, you came because you also want to know how to change the filter in this Culligan full water filtration system, full house water filtration system. Very great investment. I got Amazon, and Mr. George, if you guys are familiar with my channel, Mr. George is the one who installed this, did the water lines, readjusted everything for me. So now my cutoff valve is right here. I have been procrastinating and I have been so nervous. I'm also doing the short, so it's going to be kind of, the short probably would have brought you here. This is what the filter looks like. This is what the filter looks like. And that's what it looks like currently. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, I'm so nervous, but I think I can do it. But it's like you got to have it on off, bypass, cut the water off, drain the air. It's a couple things that need to be done, but we're going to do this together and we're going to get this filter in. So let's get into it. Now, the last video, I thought I did a short of Mr. George changing it, and I think I forgot to edit that, but this is currently, and we're getting ready to do it ourselves. So yeah, y'all see how nasty that looks? You see, yeah, it looks nasty. It's been, ooh, since he changed it last, I think it's been over like 8 months. So yeah, I'm not sure how often or what color it should look like, but I know it shouldn't look like this. So, and I noticed my water pressure in my shower in different places is changing. So that's when you also know your filter needs to be changed. So just another FYI. Now it says, first you want to shut off water. So I'm going to go to the main and cut this water off. Yeah, we just gonna cut that off. But it says shut it off using the bypass valve. So I guess it would be me turning this with this actual concoction. I'm supposed to put this on, and it comes with the unit, and you're supposed to turn it to bypass. Let's see if we can get that to do. It's kind of hard, y'all. Kind of hard. So do I need to, oh, let's see. Oh, that's why they said you need the bucket. Lord, y'all doing this with me for the first time. They said you want to put a bucket under it. They did say that. So let's get this water out of it. Hold on. This is what made me nervous, because this happened with Mr. George, but he said this is what happens. I need to put this underneath. So let me move some things around. We have the bucket there. Oh, that's really coming out, like straight out the thing. See how it's just coming straight out? I wonder, is it gonna stop? Oh, let me do it like that, because the water is off. Let's see. So I guess this is just the water that's in the line, and it's gonna do this for a little minute, which is why they said do a bucket. So this is releasing the pressure. I'm hoping. Let's see. Okay, so it says first rotate this thing to off or bypass. So we're going to put it on off like that. Okay, now we're going to release the pressure like that. So once you do the off or bypass, you're going to take this, and it's supposed to go up on here, because you turn it to off. Then you press this, release any pressure, and then I was doing it wrong. Then you want to use this to open this up. This comes with it. So you want to go up, come down until you get it. Okay, cool. I did it. I did it. So this is going to have some water in it. So we want to screw this off. Woo! Jesus. Look how nasty that is. Ooh, do y'all see that? I'm gonna put this water in here. Bam. Now we're nice and clear. So we're gonna grab the other filter. Let's pull y'all back. I'm gonna grab the other filter and put that in there. They said lubricate the ring, but I don't think it's necessary. He didn't do that last time. So we're gonna get that new filter opened up. Yep. And we're going to stick it in here like so. And I guess just twist it back on. However that's supposed to happen. Hold on. And I think we're in there like swimwear. Okay, so twist that back on. They said don't tighten it too much. Okay, don't over tighten it. So now the next step is, let me see. Okay, so I guess I should do that. So we're gonna turn to the left, take this off. I'm gonna clean this out. This is my first time, y'all, so y'all doing it with me. So I'm gonna clean this out, then put this back in. So I'm gonna clean this out, put a little, it says full grade like oil or grease around here, and then, so we're gonna clean this out real good, and I'm gonna come back. And I'm just gonna clean it out with my plant-based dish soap. All right, so you just take a butter knife and just take it out like that. So I'm about to clean this, clean that good, dry it off, and then put a little bit of, I'm just gonna put some avocado oil. I don't know what else to put. That's what I'm putting. Y'all, so I just put a little oil in my hand and I'm sliding it around like this. Y'all, well, I went to clean this and I forgot the water's off. So I had to get some bottled water. I had a big jug. I try to keep gallon jugs of crystal glacier water. So yeah, we're gonna pop this back in. Let me get this back in this groove like that. And there's a, you see how that has a, you want to place this directly on top of that. That's how you know it's straight inside there. Now, we can put this bad boy back on. We gotta make sure it's on the threads the right way. And to ensure it's a nice tight thing, you pull this up and kind of tighten it just a little more. You don't want to over tighten it. Now, we could put this back to, well, you gotta have to use this because this thing, back to fill, right? In the water, cut the water back on down here and make sure you don't see no leaks. Then you're back in there like swimwear. We did it. We did it. Y'all, it's water everywhere. Not everywhere, but look at that. Yeah, we did it. So let me go check the water in the kitchen. You want to do that, make sure. I like the main valve. They said you don't have to turn the main valve off, but some people say they do. So I was like, just to be on the safe side, let's cut the main valve off. Water, that's the water I use, but yep, water back on. Everything is clean. Look at the difference, okay? I did it. I did it. So proud of me. Okay, guys, so that's how you change the Culligan. This is the WHS200C full house filter. That's how you do it. All right, later, gators. Let you know, dry it off completely. That's how you can really tell if there's no leak. So you want to dry it off completely, all around the seal and all around the bottom, because that's going to let you know if something is leaking. You know what I mean? Get any water you can off of it and come back and keep looking. Just make sure. I'm letting the water run because I feel like when you put a filter in, you can see it done fill up around the filter already. Okay, I'm seeing something. I don't know where that's coming from. Hold on. I'm seeing something. I keep wiping here. I think it's not tight enough. Okay. Tightening it. So. And I know a lot of water poured out and there was water all around it. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it to make sure that, oh, that's where the water coming from. It was water up under here. And it's hard to get all, you see it? It's hard to get all that out. Kind of go like this. Just make sure I don't see nothing literally to keep dripping. And I'm saying this in case you have the same problem. Remember all that water got under here? You want to make sure that's off because it'll make you nervous thinking the thing is dripping. So if you dry it and come back, and I would say, to be honest, just leave the bucket there. Just leave the bucket there for a little bit. All right, so I think that's it. And I have OSB floor, so I'm not really mad. That's going to dry up on its own. So yeah, I'll lay the gators this time, for real.